Good morning. Good morning, Iglesias. Good morning, and Glacios. Mira. Morning, mira. Mucho and Glacios. Yeah. Well, I'm awake from the slumber. I'm awake from my sleep. I'm awake up and to take a shower, to watch my bookie bleed. I just wake up, man. I sleep so late. I'm tossing and turning, man. One time I find one of my breasts underneath my armpit. I was like, what the hell my breast doing underneath my armpit? I was like, yo, I'm telling you, I never sleep so late. And I was feeling so uncomfortable. Me toss and turn, so me toss and turn, so me sleep good. When me realize when I see 10 o'clock, me jump up and say, well, I'm going to too long. I was like, no wonder why I feel so. I sleep till 10 o'clock in the morning, man. But anyway, my cream last night before I go to bed, I'm going to eat shower now. See, I see between last night and now. Oh, wait, look, at the sheet drop around me, at the sheet. Hello, at the sheet. One from me. I'm being myself. So, I take a grab a sheet and tie a sheet around me. And, like, I was screaming last night. So, it's clean up. I wake up and find one of my breasts underneath my armpit. Like, when I'm sleeping, I feel something on my arm. That's what I walk out my arm, my breast underneath my arm. Yo, I'm serious. That shit stretch all the way in my arm and treat big. It just on my arm like one big round sitting on my arm. But one of my arm feels so uncomfortable, like something squish my arm. When I reach and do the big old breast, I pull it back and set it back on the chest. He lay gone on to the side and find himself a resting place underneath my arm. Boy, you tell her gravity is a bitch. Honey, I tell you all your little stiff breast one, you will get saggy, honey. Don't worry. It's just a matter of time. Oh, yes, oh. I tell your mama. I just wake up, I didn't wash my face yet. It's a damn craziness. But I love it, don't you? It'll still let me laugh until I cry by my own self. Lord, what did you create? I don't know, but whatever you did, it means a lot of people, making people happy anyway. I'm crying. I'm laughing till I'm crying myself. And no, I wake up like this, man. God is great, man. You wake up another day in this devil-ass place. You have to laugh at the devil. You can't let him, keep you down. You wake up and you say, damn, I'm still here. Still in this devil-ass place. I'm still around this devil town. All these people outside just want to get you. So when you wake up, you have to laugh. Oh, hey, sister. Laugh for this one. Make yourself happy. Oh, hey. God bless Jamaica. Oh. God bless Africa. Nigeria, Liberia, Ghana, Liberia, and all these places, other name places. God bless you all. I love you. You speak, I speak for the language because I get good cream for you guys. You guys sell me good cream, so I have to bless up the one with the real bleaching cream because a lot of these people in Manhattan, they sell fake cream. A lot of people gonna hate me, because I changed spot. I used to spend a lot of money once, but I changed no more. When I realized the last time, I get to catch up on this woman, when she passed me the fake buckle, I look at it, I said, no. They had a lady that I buy from some time, I know her husband for a long time, no, her fake. I look at it, I said, but this is wrong. So all this time you've been giving me fake to let me lose my customer. And I probably lost some of them, even though I spent a lot of money. So no, not ever again, You see, when I go to this lady, the thing is real, look at it. Real stuff. They take the same buckle, and make it look the same, but it's not the same, That's why I don't buy things on Manhattan Street anymore. No. Not anymore. It's crazy how people could do that, You're selling a business, you're selling cream. Just sell all the original cream. Why you need to pay a little bit less to buy the fake one and sell it back for the same price? That don't make no sense, No make sense for me, That's why I get like this, and I was like, you know what, people, buy too much on the street no more. Go to the building. And my brother and his wife at the building inside, Hey. Good people, Hey. I don't put up to bullshit too long, Whatever, you can mad all you want after you sell me all this cheap-ass bleaching cream, You want to make mad face now because you want me to send people to you. No. I know you've been on my live all the time because you tell me you watch me, so I know you're probably mad at me, but don't put juju for me. Don't put pepper for me, because I still come and buy other things You know, where other people don't sell like soap and so. You know, but I don't buy the cream. Oh. But don't put pepper for me because I still they buy. Hey, I still they buy. Oh. But I buy soap. Oh. The soap I know is good, but not. I don't mess with the cream. Oh. So I will still come and give you a little sale and something I know you have is real. Oh. But don't try to come put me hate for this one. Oh. I'm not the one to be blamed for the fake ice cream you sell me to let me lose a lot of my customer. And then you have the nerves. So every time I go to you, I be eating. You know, sometimes you go to these places, oh, you got to be careful, oh. They have candy inside. You walk inside in these places, you start to eat the candy, you spend all your money in Robbins, fake Robbins. All of your money will go in the fake cream once you eat the candy. I'm telling you, a big jar of candy set in there, you're thinking. And the Holy Spirit said to me, you see how much money you spend, oh? You see how much money you spend, oh, lady? Because you're eating greedy. You eat the candy because they know you're greedy. And every time you go there, Olivet, you eat the candy. This time I went there the other day, I saw like 1 dozen ripe banana. Oh. I said, oh, the banana them sparkle and nice. I said, how much you selling? She said, oh, no, take free. I look at the banana and I walk the hell out. Oh. I said, never again I put for my mouth. You have to learn when you go to other people's places and they have the stuff. You don't take it, put in your mouth when they're running the business because you will spend all your money. You will buy all and walk out for the important stuff that you wanted to buy and leave it and buy all. I tell you, sister, just be careful. Oh, they put the penge for you. So I tell you, come and get your bleaching cream. 347-469 3874. You want to know where I get my ingredients from? Dubai. I also get it from all the way in Africa, the place they call in I'd have to look at the back of the cream to tell you. But like I tell you, it's all over. Abuja. Yeah, Abuja. Abuja have good cream. Oh. Abuja have good cream. Oh. You have this other country where Cara White made. I know if you know, I think it's Abuja. But did you know where they invented certain cream? Oh, everybody there is white, oh, and they all was black. I was surprised. When I heard the story of Cara White, oh, I was like, what the hell in the matter? Oh? They say, oh, yes, you know where the Cara White coming from? Even the president himself used the Cara White and he's a man. When I hear that, I say Cara White was to be good. That's why Cara White always say, oh, if the president is a man and he is using Cara White, yes, he using it, oh, even when you watch the African movie, oh, a lot of the man, they use the cream. They don't cream anymore. Then they have this big black spot and they join the African movie, man. You look good for Nollywood, oh. Lot of the men, they cream so till their skin mess, they put all kind of things because they want to be light on the camera, but they don't use good cream because they don't know how to do it, so they look a mess after. Oh. You have to leave Africa and come to see me to fix it back. I tell you, I'm the great surgeon for many one and many fun for myself too. You look at my arm, I got a big nasty bone. It was so big and nasty, oh look, it's almost gone, oh. But just give me a couple more nights to put this thing on my body, oh. My body gonna shine and glisten through the night like a diamond. I tell you, my skin go beautiful, oh. Every man gonna want me, oh. And today I'm gonna come for Instagram for you. Today I'm going to dance for you, nice, sexy, nice for you, Instagram. Me no do nowhere else but Instagram. But before I go, I will come and tell you, come to see me there. I wink to you with one eye right now because that's the only way I can be sexy, oh. You see one eye, I try to close one to wink to you and leave the other one open. Oh, beautiful, ain't it? Sexy. You come to Instagram to see me. No problem. I love you. So I just wake up now. You tell the devil he's a liar, though. Tell the devil he's a liar, though. They want me to die, oh. They want me to die, oh. They want me to die. Tell the devil a lie, oh. They want me to die, oh. They no want me make money, oh. They want me to die. Me know they die, cause the Lord see me, oh. For the juju you said pepper for me. But they not gonna start me. The pepper no start me from make money. Oh, they wanna put pepper for me. And the juju no work. Ha! Them bad mind and them wicked. But me serve them with goodness. Me serve them with good advice. Pepper for me, oh. They want to put pepper for me. Me know me no brush me teeth and me no beard yet. A gal want to lick me and fret. Come with your tongue and beat me down. And you know the rest. Oh, me cream last night before me go bed. Oh, and the cream they sweet, man. The cream they good. You call the number, you get the cream. Oh, get the cream, you get the tun candy. Oh, you get the tun candy. Ayo. $10 make you feel so nice and right. Oh, you're so tight in the middle, so right. Sweet like a sugar pie. Oh, you get the candy, oh. Who not like me, come and bite me. Who bitch you want to come and fight me. You have a little girl down the road, and she and her mama them a hoe. She call me at night fi come chest me phone. Says she want cream, the little bitch don't wanna leave me alone. She walk and she stuck, but I don't care. Cause I tell you, I deal with these little suckers. I have no fear. She call and she call and she call prank. But me want to understand that, whoa, when me fought me body no stunk. All that they eat, come in at the place, we come log on. Thank you. If you make the number go up, thank you. So they log like a log, a headboard, like a chittle log, a headboard them all. And no. Now, I wake up like this, man. I wake up like this. All the 8 to come, man. You know what never switch. They don't want me, they go die, oh. They want me, they die, oh. The wicked not happy at all, oh. They want me, they die. They don't want the liquor cream, they sell, oh. Hey, sister, you call to get your cream, eh? 347-469. 3874. You they get the cream, your skin they looking good, oh. Your skin they shine, your skin they move the black spot, oh. You put it for everywhere, oh. Make it they nice, oh. When they see you, they bad mind, oh. Because they walk around with this spot on their face, looking like a leopard queen. They wasn't born a leopard baby, oh. Oh, the mother, you born like your mother like that, with spot on your face with your mother like that? Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, sorry for that. But I wake up with joy and happiness when the Lord is with you. Oh, you know, wake up sour. Oh, you wake up and you're ready to go. Living this lifetime where the Lord make you happy and fine. When I put my rubbings on and I wake up in the morning and it glows, I say, sunlight shine. Oh, you want to stab me? Oh, you want to talk and you want to stab me? I didn't give a damn, man. Let me go on the show, man. I just wake up, goddammit. You wake up like that in the gown and the evening. Oh, drama going on the ground, gosh. Can't see that girl. You getting married, don't you know that? Honey, you getting married, baby. Hold up the dress. Where this girl? Hold up back on my dress. Hold it up, girl. Hold it there. Ooh, oh. My cheap blue sheet. Oh, me they die. Oh, they want me they die. Oh, they want me they die. Oh, they want me they die. Oh. They want me, they die, oh. They want me, they die, oh. They try and they try, oh. They want me, they die. Oh, they want me, they die, oh. They want me, they die, oh. They want me, they die, die, oh. Die, oh. They want me, they die, oh. They want me to die. Oh, man. They want me to die, oh. They want me to die, oh. They don't want me to prosper, oh. You son of a culprit, you are you. You culprit, you know. You are a goddamn culprit. Why you want to leave me alone? You have a pet. Why you? They ate themselves, they want to come hit me. The little rubbings, them just can't take me. And the skin brown, them send me a fake. Oh, the rubbing sweet, the celebrity white. Celebrity? Gonna get me white. Oh, the celebrity white.
You call and you get one. You call and you get two. Call and you get three. Celebrity White will do. You can get your carrot butter or your pineapple cream. Or your white rose or your tomato right on the scene. When you come and you check Olivet, you're looking like a damn pretty queen. All your spots would be gone. Nobody call the leopard queen no more. Long as you knock on Olivet smelly door. I got the rubbings and that for sure. That will move all the spot cut. That is the cure. Hello, girl, no talk. If you want to come, cause me not cater. And if you want not just eater. And a big girl not traitor. Man, just beat it in your face with the stuff. And bitch, and you never get it. Oh, bitch, up in your face. Oh, on your face, in your face, oh, in your face, oh, in your face, in your face, in your face, oh, in your face, oh. And you do too. I love you as well. I love you as well. I go be here. For that's a me know the smell through the phone. You know what I'm wicked. I'm a designer, honey. I'm a designer. I know. I'm a designer. I know. I'm a designer. I know. No big one grind. You like some dough. Designer girl. Oh, you're so designer, honey. Look at this damn dress I made from a sheet now. Some of y'all can't do that. You don't know how to design. No. Why if you wine and juke? Girl, you got the damn good book. And the wood of them are gonna look. But you don't care a joke. No joke. All them are talking a key. And girl, you not care the joke. And then wine up. And oh, yes, the breast of my egg, they want to go back and eat my arm on an armpit again. Why they want to go back over my armpit again and go lie down, baby? Why you sleep under my armpit for? I didn't give you authority to leave my chest and go to my armpit. Why did you do that? Oh, oh, when the evil them a come, me say no. Evil them a come, me say no. Go away, eater. Me say whoa, no. He burn them to me not be it. He burn them cause you no Olivet no smelly. He burn them no Olivet no smelly. He burn them cause Olivet no smelly. Oh! I'm gonna be it now. I love you. I don't care, man. I don't care, so get out of here. Play the game and we play it fair. Which dirty girl I call my phone? You or with your mama, so leave me alone. Or with your mama, me say leave me alone. Or with your mama, me say leave me alone. Or with your mama, me say leave you alone. Stop bust up my phone with the dial tone. Or with your mama, me say leave me alone. Go over with your mama, me say leave me alone. Stop call up my phone at the dial tone. You feel leave me alone. Me hear nothing come from when me not come. But me sit down on the throne. Me a queen of my own world, me queen alone. If you leave me alone, go over with your mama, girl, and leave me alone. Go over with your mama, girl, and leave me alone. Over with your mama, girl, and leave me alone. Over with your mama, girl, and leave me alone. Go over with your mama, girl, and leave me alone. Me hear the girl through the dial tone. She a make a price and she alone with her mama by your size and the two of them are work. Go with your mama here. Go with your mama and leave me alone. Go with your mama and leave me alone. Your mama is a traitor hoe. Your mama don't take it slow. Every time she on knee blow, whoa, oh, whoa. Mama don't leave me alone. Your mama is a damn traitor hoe, blow hoe. On her knees again, there she go. Them kneecap gone on their kneecap boss. Oh, look on them knee, look like a old zinc or rust. The whole of them kneecap mash up. Tell you, oh, when mama, I leave me alone. And you little slut, you feel leave me alone. Why you keep on calling my phone? Go on over with your mama and please leave me alone. Yes, I gotta wash my face, they ain't wash it yet. Yes, I gotta brush my teeth, the damn stink wet. But right now I'm talking to you, I don't give a shit, bitch. Leave me alone. Go with the mama, missy, leave me alone. Go with the mama, missy, leave me alone. Oh, oh, leave me alone, bitch. I don't give a rat's ass. And you want to talk? I'm still my own damn boss. Why is it in like a dog? Yes, I keep on bark. Still getting paid, so please kiss my... Who said the rest, man? Let them talk. I don't give a damn, and me don't want to stalk. Who are with the mama, mister? Please leave me alone. Click. Take the picture, ready? Take the picture, yes. Take the picture, yes. Girl, I know you are the best. Who want to fact? I'm going to take the picture, yes. Calling and get your cream, make your skin look nice. Look, me just wake up and I wash your face yet. So 347-469-38. 467. No. 347, sorry. 347-469-38 and the 7 and 4. 347-4, you're deaf? Go clean the ears. If you don't hear the number, go clean the ears dirty and full up of wax. Come and sure so somebody up here and say, what she say, what the number say? Because the ears full up of wax, nasty, not clean the ears. So I repeat again, if you don't know, come and no. 347-469-3874. You know, when guys keep putting stuff, you know, that they don't need in their body no more in your ears, you're not going to hear right. It's going to clog up your whole hair system. All the way in the last vein in your ears, man, is going to be clogged up, the vein in your ears. Oh, it's raining again. It's raining, baby. Hallelujah, it's raining, yeah. I want to go out my clothes. I want to go outside. It's raining, baby. Oh, yeah, it's raining, baby. Bitches want to switch and talk, and one day come and talk, and then one of them keep on barking. I'm out of here now, I go bed. And the rain on the window again. It rain yesterday, it rain the other day, and the whole time it's rain, and Satan batty a leak past my own head, hallelujah. Satan batty a leak past my own head, hallelujah. They can't understand why me send to human like this. I saw God make me. Me am full batty, so me chat a lot. Hallelujah. Me keep telling you where me get it from. You want to be like me? You got to go and eat a lot of fowl, but that means you got to go to Jamaica, a vacation, and get somebody to kill some fowl and cut out the fowl ass and cook it, and you eat it. And you're going to eat a lot of fowl ass. So you're going to have to do a while before you can be like me. After you eat a lot of fowl butt, you're going to become talk a lot. I'm telling you. You're going to become talk a lot, I'm telling you. Oh, yeah, you're going to become talk a lot. But you got to eat that full ass, okay? I'll be back. Later. All these people I say, if we're not company, we don't understand English. We're going to block you because, you know, it's not nice to come on here. And if you don't try to find something in English for you, come on here. I have people that don't speak English. It's nice in here, but I don't want to be disrespectful to anyone, you know, to keep blocking them because not everybody speaks English, but sometimes it's no good for that, you know. Yeah, take a trip to Jamaica, 1-800 Jamaica Airline, 1-800 Jamaica. When you get there, make sure you get a lot of yard fowl, and a white fowl, but you go eat, you know, at the yard fowl them. Because sometimes they eat shit today, pickle, mango, shit, anything they find for eat, them eat. Well, that's the one you're going to eat. You're not going to eat the white fowl ass. You're going to eat the wild fowl ass, the wild fowl, the wild ones that eat everything, frogs, eat any whatever. That's the one, that one, Batty. You have to eat a lot of butt. Last time, you know, the rim around the butt of the fowl ass, I eat it, the chicken. And when I eat the rim part, it's kind of like rubbery, you know, because it's definitely fowl ass, you know. But you're going to get result. To each his own, each his own. That was my way of getting my talent. I eat a lot of fowl ass. You know, in this system, you got to have to do something. You're not going to get everything for free and people like you. You know. So at first, if you're going to be a blogger and you want to be a good and a funny person, you got to go and eat a lot of fowl ass. I'm serious, y'all. Take the plane to Jamaica. Get some country fowl. And trust me, you have to eat at least 3-4 fowl ass in a day. Because remember, I used to steal people fowl and kill them. Just because I needed ass, because I couldn't kill out all my mom fowl in the yard. You know, so sometimes I used to kill some of my mother fowl, and I steal other people fowl that me catch them, you know. and kill them and cook them and me eat the butt. So remind you, you know what I mean? You're gonna have to eat a lot so you can able to talk and be like how I be. But call and get your rubbings. Person 46938 and 74. I love you. 347-469-38 and 74. I talk to you soon now.